If you use WhatsApp every day, this quick Chrome shortcut can save you time and make messaging feel much faster and cleaner. In this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp as a website shortcut in Chrome so you can open it like a dedicated app right from your desktop. This is perfect if you want a simple one-click way to access WhatsApp without typing the website every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to whatsapp.com. Once the website loads, you'll see WhatsApp open in your browser. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's built-in tools and settings. Next, hover your mouse over the section that says Cast, Save and Share. When you do this, a side menu will appear with different options for saving the website. From that menu, click Create Shortcut. On some versions of Chrome, you may instead see Install Page as App. If that option appears, you can click it too, because it gives you the same kind of shortcut style app experience. After you click Create Shortcut, a small pop-up box will appear. Here, type a name for your shortcut. For example, you can simply call it WhatsApp. Keep it short and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more website shortcuts later. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Chrome will then add the WhatsApp shortcut for you. Depending on your device and settings, the shortcut may appear on your desktop, in your apps list, or in your Chrome apps area. After that, you can open WhatsApp anytime by clicking the shortcut and it will launch right away in its own window. And that's it. You've now added WhatsApp as a website shortcut in Chrome. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference if you use WhatsApp regularly on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.